Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Spicy Noodle Mukbang, the professional mukbang show where I try something spicy. You just kind of chill out, watch, and gauge my expression on the spicy level. Today we've got one that's made in Vietnam for the US market. This is Snapdragon with their Spicy AF Super Spicy Ramen Noodle Soup. The AF, if you're not in the US and you're not familiar with the term, it's spicy as fuck. So there you go. Anyways, I made some. Here is what it looks like. And I added a bunch of stuff. I'm not really going to concentrate on eating this bunch of stuff as you know. But I'm going to eat the soup and the noodle, and I'm going to let you know if I find this at all spicy. I'm just coming off doing a really spicy one last week. Well, that was the Cully's World's Hottest Noodles 2.0. Look that up on www.theramenraider.com, and yeah. So we'll give this a try. I really don't expect a lot of insanity from this, but you never know. So you never know. Ready, set, go. Okay. Okay. There is heat there. The ingredients mention capsicum oleoresin, which is pepper extract, which can certainly be violently spicy. It just depends on what kind of pepper you're getting it from and what the how concentrated it is. Done. That is not an apt name for this product. I'm sorry, but it is not spicy as fuck. There is heat, but I would say Tabasco sauce is spicier than this. It's really just not. I would say if this is one that you cooked and drained and stirred it up, you'd get a little bit more heat. I mean, it's definitely sitting around the palate. It's hot. It's spicy. I mean, there is spiciness there. Is it, to the terminology they're using, that spicy? No, not by a long shot. Not by any stretch of the imagination at all. No. Comparison to something like Bulldog, not even in the same ballpark. Weak. Flavor, not so great. Not wonderful. I'm just kind of. This is one of those products where they're saying it's this, and it's just not. It is not super spicy. If you're a spicy food aficionado. Yeah. So disappointing $3 thing, but it's fun to try stuff. I'm really into trying everything like this. So, all right. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.